Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix failed block download error in Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting failed block download in your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to press Windows plus R key. Here you need to type in the run command inetcpl.cpl. Click on OK. Click on the security tab and click on the internet and click on custom level. You need to scroll down a little bit. In this you need to find launching application and unsafe files. In this you need to select prompt recommended. If it is selected as enabled or disabled, you need to just select as prompt and click OK and select the second, local intranet. Again you have to click on custom level. Again you have to scroll down a little bit and you need to find launching application and unsafe files. Here you can see it is selected as enabled. Just click on prompt and click OK. Click on yes. In this you can see local internet. Just click on the sites and you have to uncheck all these three options. Click OK. Come to the third option, trusted site, and click on custom level. Again you have to scroll down a little bit. Find the launching application and unsafe files and click on prompt and click OK. Come to the fourth option, restricted sites. Click on custom level. You have to scroll down a little bit. In this you need to find launching application and unsafe files. Here you can see it is selected as disable. You can see here it is selected as disable. Just select prompt, click on OK, click on yes and close this window. Just apply OK. After that you need to open registry editor. Just click on start menu and type here regedit. Click on registry editor, click on yes. Guys, in left section you can see HKey local machine. Just expand this option. After that you need to click on softwares, double click on software. After that you need to find Microsoft. You can see here Microsoft. Just expand this one. After that you need to find Windows. You need to scroll down. You can see here Windows. Just double click on that. After that you need to find current version. You can see here current version. Just expand. After that you need to find policies. You can see here policies. Just double click on that. In this you will find attachments. Just click on the attachment. In right section you can see scan with antivirus. Just right click on that, click on modify. Here you can see here the value data is 3. You just need to delete and rename or renumber as, or change, or you can say just you need to change the value from 3 to 1. After that just click OK and close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix failed block download error on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.